In Chinese, 理解 and 了解 are two verbs, both of which mean to know and understand. However, there is a difference. 了解 has a broader meaning and scope than 理解. 了解 means to understand in the general, broader, and even superficial sense, but 理解 indicates a deeper comprehension. Let's take a look at some examples. 我很了解他。我很了解他。I understand him well. In this case, understand just means knowing his name, what he likes, maybe what his job is, etc. In other words, more surface-level information, superficial things. 我理解他为什么这么做。我理解他为什么这么做。I understand why he did this. Here, the understand means the speaker comprehends what happened at a deeper level beyond just the facts that everyone knows. Let's look at another usage of 理解, when its meaning of understand is used to suggest allowance, tolerance, etc. 这件事，双方都有错，大家互相理解一下。这件事双方都有错，大家互相理解一下。Both sides are wrong in this matter. Please understand each other.